In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see your Instagram password even if you forgot it. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now we're going over multiple methods. The first method is going to be if you're already logged in, but if you're not logged in, don't worry, we got you later. Essentially what you need to do if you're already logged in is tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right and then tap the three lines up in the top right and go into your settings. Once you're in your settings, go ahead and find security on here. So scroll down on here or just search and type in security and password or password and security. Open this up. It's going to redirect you to a page that looks something like this. Select save login and then select your account. Make sure that you have save login info currently turned on just like so. And once you go ahead and do that is actually check your saved password. So either open up Safari or Chrome and go to Instagram.com, log in, and then it's going to ask you if you want to autofill in your password and you can actually select the little icon to view it. If that doesn't work for whatever reason, hit forgot password and Instagram will send you a recovery code to your email or phone number so that you can actually reset your password and log back in. But if you have this save login info thing ticked right here, you can also back out to your device's security app. For example, on iPhone, I think it's just called Passwords. Yeah, it's called Passwords. Open this up, search for Instagram, and once you go ahead and do that, you could select your account and then view your password right here. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.